morning, students. How are you? In our last video, we solved one example, permutations with a similar object, two of us. Today we are going to look at another example. Is that clear? Okay. The other day I told us that permutation with similar objects, there's a formula that you use, which you know that the formula is n factorial all over p factorial times q factorial times r factorial times amen. Okay, so now today we are going to look at this problem, how we are going to commutate this word, Amiakumo joy. Is that clear? Okay, let's write solution. Let's write solution. Is that clear? Amiakumo joy. Amen. The word Amiakumo joy. Okay. The question says, how many permutations can be formed from the word Amiakumo joy? Okay, let's write down the formula, which you know that n factorial all over p factorial times q factorial times r factorial times Is that clear? Okay. Yes. Now we are going to find n. How can we find n? Is for us to count the letters contained in the word Amiakumo joy. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Amen. Okay? So if you agree with me, it means where n equals to 11 letters, alphabets. Is that clear? Okay. Now, let us obtain our P, possibly Q, and R. How can we obtain our P? Is let us look at the common letters. Is that clear? Okay. Let's check whether A repeats itself. No. A does not repeat itself, isn't it? We know that N repeats itself, isn't it? We have M here, we have M here. It means we have 2M, 1, 2, 2M. So our P, where our P is equals to 2M's. Is that clear? Okay? Let's check whether I repeat itself. No. What about E? Does E repeat itself? No. True of us. Let's check K. K does not repeat itself. What about U? Okay, U does not repeat itself. Okay, let's check. We know we are done with M. Let's check O. We have O here. We also have O here. So it means our Q is where Q is equals to 2 O's. Is that clear? Are you following? Okay. Now, let's check J. J does not repeat itself, and Y too does not repeat itself. So our R is 0, two of us. So it implies that with this we can write that this is equals to 11 factorial all over our P is what? 2 factorial times our Q is what? 2 factorial. Then this is the same thing as I want us to know that note, amen, note that 11 factorial means for the sake of millions, is that clear? Means 11 factorial means 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Also, 2 factorial means 2 times 1. You agree with me? So if you agree with me, then we are going to write it this way: 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Amen. All over 2 factorial will give us 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 1 times another 2 factorial again, 2 times 1. Amen. So without loss of generality, this and this will go. So this implies that are you done with this part? Are you done with this part? So I can clean this part. So this implies that amen. Okay. This implies that this is equals to 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Then this will give us 19 million or 958,400 now, and all over 2. It means this 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 all over. Okay, this will give us 19,958,000.